wall with a brick channel that follows around the garden bed. And the water's supposed to go around this channel all the way around. Then it ends up in a drain at the end. And of course this drain was totally covered with dirt and debris. This is not the greatest idea in the world, a very costly venture rather than put the pipe underground. This downspout, which we just cleaned, also hooks into this drain.
Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let's take a look at a call that we've been to where we come out and we find this. Can you see there's some type of drain there that's just totally backed up? And you saw how they created a channel to allow the water to flow around to a drain, which just overflowed and poured down into their basement. And of course they have a flooded basement. The downspout drain, the gutters, the downspouts, the drain, these are the most important parts of the rainwater drainage system, and they need to be maintained.
Copper downspouts. This is a common problem. You can see how packed full the downspout is of debris. We're going to have to cut and remove all of these. You can see it's filling up. This is copper. See here? Everything's welded together.
Every downspout on this house was totally clogged, as well as the underground drain, the downspout drain. So what we've got to do here is we've got to take this all apart. We're going to have to cut the downspout in order to get into the downspout itself, because they are so packed with debris that there's no other way. So we've got to take it all apart. We've actually got to cut the downspout, and this is copper. We're going to cut this downspout and clean it out. Take a look at what's inside the downspout.
And again, you can see all the debris that is inside of this downspout. And yes, this happens in aluminum, galvanized, but boy, does it ever happen in copper. Make sure that you get all of this out, pound it, pack it, dump it. There's some more debris.
It's not just roots that get backed up into your downspout drain, whether it's corrugated or whether it's PVC. You can see the debris that can build up inside the drain.
Okay, let's go ahead and put it back together. These are downspout crimpers, and we need these in order to put the copper downspout back together. Basically, the crimpers will shrink the downspout. They pull it tight together at the bottom so that we can slide the piece that we cut back over top of the original downspout. Once we do that, we need to secure it. So we're going to use a stainless steel screw. We call these zip screws, and we just load that into our drill. Push hard. Don't worry if it kinks, because the drill will pull, the screw will pull that downspout back together. Next, we secure the downspout adapter so that we can stick it back into the underground drain. And finally, we'll secure the downspout strap.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day. AtlanticDrain on YouTube. This is my brother Chris's channel, and he just posted a great video showing you why you need to maintain these systems, especially yard drains and downspout drains. Look at the roots that he pulls out of PVC. All that talk about PVC being better than corrugated, they're exactly the same. They both have problems. Take a look at that video. And don't forget about live help, video consultation via Zoom.